Translation 1855 of 13. Suo motu.
Please, Lordship. On last occasion, I, Lordship, tendered unconditional apology. On last occasion, I tendered unconditional apology, Lordship, and thereafter, my learned friend sought time to file affidavit, Lordship. Today, just now, Lordship, I received a copy of affidavit. I would request 10 days time at least.
Huh?
Just now, Lordship, I have received a copy of a written submission on behalf of the state, Lordship. It is not an affidavit. I have to go through this compilation, Lordship. I is seeking at least 10 days time.
Sir, there are certain proceedings initiated by this contemptor. During the pendency of this contempt proceedings, my lords may kindly see certain pages just for the sake of looking to it for the time being. Page 2, I have started translating this particular complaints and other papers. Page 2, Vishay, the same word which he had used before this honorable court at page 12. And during pendency, he now at page 27 to another honorable judges. Page 27 from bottom, 11th line. જેતે વખતના નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટના વિદ્વાન ન્યાયમૂર્તિ so and so, so and so, and so and so, so and so. Page 28 from bottom 10th line, another honorable court. Kindly see page 28, 9th line from bottom. If honorable court is looking to page 28 from bottom 9th line, another honorable court. So whosoever passes any order against him, either in his own proceedings or in the proceedings wherein he has an interest, he will start making derogatory statement against the honorable judge. Forget government law officers. Government law officers are nothing to him.
He's here, Lordship. But I am seeking 10 days time. I need some tech instruction in this matter, Lordship, because just now I have received this
It
compilation.
is only a written submission. It is not a
Yes,
reply.
sir, written. You did not reply.
You make your submissions. Make your
But
submissions.
I have to go through this, Lordship.
We'll go through together.
Please, Lordship, but at least some
If-
weeks time.
If every judge is sought to be attacked like this, what is this, Mr. Counsel? Huh? What is the stage?
Only notices issued, Lordship.
Huh?
Notices served to the contemptor, Lordship.
What do you want to say with regard to framing of the charge?
Lordship, but if take a 1 week's time, maybe. granted,
Why?
Lordship.
We will not grant you time. Which year? 2013.
13, Lordship.
It has to go on the basis of hour to hour, not day to day. You are attacking advocates, you are attacking law officers, you are attacking judges. What is this?
I will talk with him, Lordship. What is the actually?
When we ask you, it doesn't mean to you.
I
You are only an officer, law officer assisting the court.
please, Lordship. Some or 2 or 3 days time may be granted. I will take some instruction. What is the actually matter in this, Lordship?
Take all your instructions by tomorrow.
Lordship, 1 more day. If
When was this made?
please, Lordship.
Now I am able to read slowly. But not fast, but I will be able to read. Hey, look at page 27. Udura mate janishi. What is this, brother? Janishi. Arji. Arji. Very. Tariq. 20/4/2021 ना हुक्म थी विद्वान न्यायमूर्ति श्री JB Pardiwala Sahebe, Thane Vakil Shri Mitesh Amin ne Supreme Court ma everybody's name. Those who are not practicing here also you have brought in their names.
Therefore, that's why I want to seek some time, Lordship, to take instruction in this matter.
Sitting Supreme Court judges' names also you are opting. When was it filed, this Mitesh Abir?
Sir, it has been submitted on
On
9 April 19. So the
9th April
reference
2019.
2019. So when he addressed this application, the learned judge was the sitting judge here. And the two learned judges had passed some orders in the proceedings wherein this respondent was a party.
What so my learned friend has pointed out the page number 27 and 28, Lordship, it has not been submitted by this contemner, Lordship. He has not submitted any such letter.
All right.
There is no his name, not his signature at all. Just now I informed. Lordship.
all. If they produce it in their evidence, you can then think of it.
We have not produced anywhere, Lordship. We have not produced anywhere. There is no even no name of the, it starts from page 24, Lordship. Bhai, Deepabhai Rathwa, Tatha Anya, and others, Lordship. And it concludes on page 34. Page 24 to page 34, Lordship. There is no name or signature of the present applicant.
All right. What is his name? What is his name?
Anand Giri
Goswami.
Goswami.
Anand Goswami.
Please, Lordship.
Is able to understand English? Mr. Goswami, we are framing charge against you.
Honorable, my humble request to give me a few days only.
Uh,
It's not just my humble submission, it's a group matter. 100 of people are victim. It's a pressure of thousands of people.
You have addressed a letter,
Haji,
number nil 09/2013 to the then Honorable Chief Justice of this court,
Your Honor, just
making allegations against Justice Mrs. Sonia Gokani, saying that she had made corrupt observations in her order dated 22/8/2012, passed in Criminal Miscellaneous 12353 of 2012 for temporary bail. You have also alleged that on imaginary and malafide intention, the said order has been passed. What do you say?
Your Honor,
Have you written this letter?
just wait. I was in custody.
Huh?
I was in judicial custody.
Or
I have submitted a temporary bail application.
have you written that letter?
Just, please,
By way of defense, you can say everything.
just wait.
Now this is only the charge against you. Have you written that letter or not?
I have written according to facts on record. According to the true facts on record, I have tried my level best to submit the true fact before the Honorable Chief.
Have you written that letter, Mr. Goswami? You have written that letter. You may explain why you have written. That's a different issue. We will hear you. But that letter is written by you. All.
Written. It was not written by me, but it was thumbs by me. I was in under treatment. I have not even signed.
You have put your thumb impression.
He made only his thumb impression, Lordship. It was written by some, no, he doesn't say Chetan.
What is this?
Thumbs वाली भी चल रही है. Some are thumbs and some are.
One
It
second.
is not my written by myself, it's written by someone else. I have signed it or some. Even Your Honor, my request is just Your Honor, give me a few days only. I want to submit.
Show this letter to him. Tell him whether, and his signature is here.
It's here, Lordship. I have seen Sony, Lordship. It's with me, Lordship.
That is his signature?
Yes, it is.
He has written, you have written it, Mr. Goswami?
It is written by someone else, Lordship, but he make only his signature.
All.
This is what he stated.
All.
May I point out also one thing, Lordship, page B5, Lordship.
1 second. Show it to him, this 1, 2 and 3. One, 2 and 3. These two letters have been written by him. His signature is found there. We, so and so, so and so. My name and brother name. Do hereby charge you, respondent accused, that is what Goswami? Anand Goswami, Anand H. Goswami. You write your father's name, age, आपका address लिखे देना. That you have.
If today's time may be granted for maintainability, because Lordship, page B5 is my request. B5 may be seen, Lordship. B5. Initiation of that contempt proceeding, Lordship, is the standing committee meeting held on 7/10/2013. Para 5, Lordship. By this act, Mr. Anand Goswami has also tried to
Have used defamatory language
please, Lordship, but
against the honorable judge of this court. And thereby, you have tried to attack an individual judge and on the court as a whole with reference to SCA, a criminal miscellaneous application number 12353 of 2012. By casting unwarranted defamatory aspersion upon the character and ability of the honorable judge, para scandalizing the court in the aforesaid manner, amounts to a criminal contempt as defined under section 2C, subclause 1, 2 and 3 of Contempt of Courts Act 1971. The hostile criticism of judges of the judiciary and unwarranted attack on the judge or a court by means of submitting representation stroke complaint dated 2nd September 2013, 2 letters. You mentioned 2 letters dated 2nd September 2013. Full stop. The defamatory language used by you, Mr. Anand H. Goswami, is with an intention and object to scandalize the court, and said acts would be falling within the meaning of the definition of section 2C of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971, punishable under section 11 and 12 of the Act by taking cognizance of the said acts, we hereby direct that you be tried by this court on the said charge. Dated this 19th day of April, next line, dated this 19th day of April 2022. Have you heard this, Mr. Goswami? You have understood what the charge is, right? Do you plead guilty? Have you heard question so and so? He says yes. Do you plead guilty? Says no. Claims to be tried. We so and so certify that the above charge was read over and explained to the accused in the language known to the accused, and after having understood the contents of the charge in our presence and after hearing the above answer And after hearing the above answer is true and correct recording of the answer given by the accused. Our names. Let him be here. We'll get it typed. He should sign it. Yes, prosecutor.
One more aspect. Sir, there are two proceedings. There is one more later. My lords may look to the another proceedings, which is criminal reference number 1 of 13, where against 52 persons, including different learned city civil judges, where the learned principal judge has addressed letter to the learned registrar general of this honorable court, which is at page 6. And in paragraph 3 of that letter, my lords will find the name of one former judge of this honorable court, different judges of city civil court, in all 54 persons. But relevant would be the application which respondent had given to the learned principal judge at page 12. Which is dated 25/2/13. Starting from page 12 to page 22.
Where is the original letter?
Yeah, it would be before this honorable court because learned principal judge,
We cannot mark a photocopy.
my lords are right, but I am just placing for my lords consideration as my lords are framing charge against
Registry is directed to secure
my lords.
the original communication dated 5/2/2013, 25/2/2013, addressed to
It is principal judge, city civil and sessions court, Ahmedabad, city.
Municipal City Civil and Sessions Judge, Ahmedabad.
My lords.
And the translated copy of the same shall also be placed on record. For marking of the documents. List on. Ten six.
My lords.
Let him be here.
Yes,
After
yes,
the
I-
charge is, please recorded. He has to sign.
I understood.
Let him come at 2:30.
Yeah.
2:30.
Please, Lordship.
Get it typed. Keep it ready.